Squirrel. This little squirrel comes and visits me, cleans itself in the bushes. I don't know if you can see it. There he is, right on the tree, looking at me. Can you see it through this window? Hello. There's a squirrel. What you gonna do? Come on your branch. Show us how you clean yourself. There you go. Show us what you do. What do you do outside my window that I get to watch every day? You're my buddy. Hi. What are you looking at me, looking at you? Is that what you're doing? I don't think everybody can see through here, but you're cute. Let's see if I open this up if you'll run. Hello. Hi. How are you? Well, what's going on? Hi, buddy. You're my buddy. You come every day. You gonna go on that branch and clean up? What are you doing? Want to say hi? Hello. I see you. You playing? I see you. What are you gonna do? Huh, squirrel? What are you gonna do? Hi. Hello. Well, look at your eyes, huh? Look at you. Hello. Hello. You gonna move or just stare at me, huh? It's the first time I open the curtain. I watch you every day. Yes, I do. I watch you every day. Where are you gonna go? I'm watching you. Yes, I watch you every day. I'm gonna tap on the window. Whoop, there you go. Bye.